Do you want thicker, shining, and healthy hair without chemicals? Today, I am sharing a powerful homemade leave-in spray made with natural ingredients that can transform your hair. This spray is nourishing the scalp, boosting hair growth, and keeping your hair moisturized all day. Let's go through the benefit of each ingredient and why this recipe works like magic. But before starting the video, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Okay, my people, what I'm holding, I'm going to tell you guys the ingredients that I used to infuse. I infused it for 24 hours, okay? And avocado leaf also, I boil it for 10 minutes. That one is 12 hours. I infused avocado leaf for 12 hours, but the other ingredients was 24 hours that I infused it. What did I use? I used clove, lavender, and Waawaakye leaf plus that avocado peel that you guys are seeing right now. So I infuse it for 24 hours. I make the hot water, boil hot water, and pour it inside and leave it for 24 hours. So now it's time for me to bring it to strain it, and after I'm going to add my ingredients. And also this spray also I'm going to apply it to my daughter to show it to you people, especially those who doesn't know how to apply it to their hair, for you to see if you make your own infusing hairspray, how you can apply it into your hair. I'm going to demonstrate it, show it to you guys, so please watch to the end, because after everything that I'm going to show you. But before that, let me take you guys to tell you the benefit of the ingredients that I used it and why these ingredients is working like a magic for me and my daughter. And I believe and know very strong that if you also start using it, you are going to love it, because you will see a big changes from your hair. So let's start from rosemary. Rosemary is help stimulating blood flows to the scalp. This wake up the hair follicles and promoting faster hair growth. It's also stimulating roots, reducing dandruff, and it's rich in antioxidants that protect the hair from damaging. So if you are looking for faster hair growth, rosemary is something that you should add it into your routine. So let's check it. Okay, let's check and see cloves also. Cloves are powerful for hair strands. It also contains vitamins like vitamin K, magnesium, and iron that support healthy follicles. Cloves also is fighting for scalp infection and adding natural shining to your hair, okay? And also, if you have thinning hair, you are looking for a way to come out from, how can you do to get the thicker hair, try to add clove also into your routine. Whether you are going to be adding it into your, maybe your leave-in spray or your infusing oils or your hair butters, try to add in it, or you can add it also into your deep treatments also. It's also good, it will help you. So let's check and see lavender. So the benefit of lavender, it's also, the lavender is adding calms to the scalp and reducing irritation or itchiness. It also having antibacterial property. It keep the scalp clean and promoting luxurious hair that you are looking for. You are going to get it if you are adding lavender to your hair. Lavender is also helping with hair growth by improving blood circulation if you are adding lavender into. So if you are not adding these things into your routine, or you are not using this thing, please run or go to market, look for those ingredients and buy for yourself and start using it. As I told you guys, whether you are going to be using it as a leave-in spray or you are going to add it to be making it infusing oil or hair butter, it is going to help you. Okay, let's check and see Waawaakye leaf or Waawaakye powder. If you are using it for your hair treatments, what can you get? It's traditional herbs. It's rich in iron and having some minerals. Okay, it's also strengthening weak hair, nourishing the scalp, and preventing hair breaking. It also helps your hair look fuller and thicker if you are using Waawaakye leaf or Waawaakye powder. Now I'm adding my rosemary essential oil. Okay guys, when I'm just talking and I'm adding my ingredients. So the first ingredient that I'm starting is rosemary oil, essential oil. So I'm adding rosemary essential oil. So what I'm telling you guys, the ingredients that I use, that's the benefit also I'm reading for you people. So now my next ingredient is my vitamin E oil. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon inside. So let's check and see the avocado peel that I boiled for 10 minutes. After leave it for 12 hours, I strain it and add into these ingredients. Those avocado peel, you know, avocado peel is having also benefits. So you don't throw your avocado after finish eating. You can boil it and use it as a raisin tea, or using it as a leave-in conditioner. Also you can use it like that because it's having vitamins which contain vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Okay, avocado is also replacing or repelling damaging hair, reducing dryness, and protecting against breaking. It's also keeping hair soft and shining and well moisturized. What do you want again? So after adding these things, guys, you see what I'm just talking, I'm adding my ingredients in to read. So I will tell you guys those ingredients, also what I added inside. I will tell you guys the benefit of those oils. And if you cannot get all, also don't worry yourself, whatever the amount that you get, just put inside. So the next oil that I'm adding right now is my infusing oil that I infused for my daughter. So that one also I'm putting 1 tablespoon inside. I added rosemary and vitamin E oil. I added lavender, and now also I added this infusing oil, 1 tablespoon also inside. So when you check about vitamin E oil, you see what my daughter is doing. When you check about the vitamin E oil, so now let's check and see vitamin E oil. It's also strengthening healthy hair. It's replacing damaging hair, preventing spill ends, and also adding natural shining. It's also locking in moisture to your hair, keeping your hair hydrated all day long. If you are adding vitamin E to your things, or if you have damaging hair, try to be using vitamin E oil. Adding it to your routine, it will solve your problem. So after that, I added my infusing oil. So guys, now what I'm now going to do, that spraying, that is the spray. You know, oil and water always have problems, so you always have to shake it before using. Now my daughter tried to make drama to me. She's saying she want kulikuli. I don't know, someone who knows kulikuli, what they call kulikuli. Now she want kulikuli, so I'm trying to open TV to see whether that one I can use to rub hair and continue do my work or not. So please let me know what they call kulikuli. Do you know kulikuli? Let me know in the comment section. And also, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, this is your first time crossing our channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe. You know this girl, she's taking my attention. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you for granted. Let's continue. So now after that, I added the oils that I added inside. I added my infusing oil also. That infusing oil is packed with nutrients. Okay, it's also having all the things that I used was herbs, seed, and the herbs, the leaves of the herbs. Okay, it's also helping to nourish your scalp in providing deep moisturizing and treatment, adding natural treatment, because like if we have some damaging hair, it will treat your hair like if you are going to hospital to look for treatment. Yeah, so that oil also, if you are using it and you have any problem with your scalp, it's going to do what? It's going to help you to keep it more clean and reduce every bad things, any bacteria that is going to blocking your scalp. Is going to reduce it and keep your hair hydrated, and what? Strengthen your hair roof to the tip. So that is oil that I'm using for my daughter. I infuse it for myself. So if you want to see that video, please check my channel, check Princesshaircare. You will see the channel. Now also, we thank God I got my main channel back, so very soon we'll start going live again in that channel. So please, you can support us in that channel also. The name is Queen Paddy. I'll write it here. Okay, if you're watching, please because this channel is going to be Princess channel. I will leave this channel for Princess, and that channel is going to be mine. So please, if you are watching, you just want to support us, support both of us, because here for Princess and that channel is for me, Queen Padidi. That's my channel name, and this is Princess Hair Care. Okay, so after spray the spray into your scalp, make sure you spray, don't put it too much for the water to be like you can be feeling like there is water is dropping down, because you are still going to add some oils into your scalp. So you have to spray it into your scalp and your hair. Also massage it small. After massaging it, the next thing that you have to do, take your liquid, that is the oil, use in the scalp, put it in the scalp and massage it again. Okay, that's the way that, oil is having long way to go, so don't pour it in one place. If you just do it small, it's having long way to go, so that you massage your scalp very well. Because the most important of growing hair, always try at least, if you know that you cannot get time to be massaging your hair every day, but at least in a week, try to massage your scalp for 3 times in a week. If you can't do it every day, if you have time, can do it every day, at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes, it's okay, do it. But if you know that you don't have that time, then try to do it at least 3 times in a week if you are looking for a way to grow your natural hair. Okay, that's the secret that I'm telling you people. There are a lot of people, they will not tell you people what you should do. So I'm telling you that if you are looking for a way to grow your hair, these are the secret that you need to be doing, and keeping your hair moisturized. So after that, also I added my rosemary essential oil. Also, it's also boosting blood circulation, stimulating hair growth, and strengthening weak roof. Okay, strengthen your roof. It also is best natural remedy for thinning hair. Yeah, rosemary, I told you, if you guys can remember at the beginning, I told you people, when you are using rosemary, what can happen. So it's the same thing, the essential oil of the rosemary. If you are adding it and you have thinning hair, or you have problem with your scalp, rosemary is essential oil is also going to help you to come out with a healthy and everything. That this living in spray is a powerhouse of natural vitamins and minerals. Using it regularly will help your hair grow faster, stay moisturized, look shining and healthy. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments below. Okay, and don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe for more natural hair care recipe, and also share it with your someone or those people who also love natural hair care things. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, but all the time when you do it like this, try to seal the mouth. When I'm doing my hair, my daughter hair like this, I don't want to do and leave the ends, because what I'm doing, the problem or the major thing is to protect the ends, because the hair is already growing. But how can you do to protect your hair ends? The hair ends that is going to grow, so that you can see the length from your hair. If your hair ends is breaking, then you cannot achieve the long hair or any hair that you are looking for, the healthy or longer hair that you are dreaming for, you cannot get it. Guys, you can see what my daughter is doing. She's starting her drama, shaking her hair. Anyway, we're almost done. So this is the way that you need to be doing. And I told you people, the best way to use it consistency. That's the key of these natural things. Anything you are doing concern natural hair recipes, do it consistency and get what you want. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you people. Please don't forget, I told you and I'm reminding you, if you know that you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share for me. And don't forget to share it with your loved ones, also those who love natural hair care things. Now I'm telling my daughter to say bye bye to you people. Please click the notification bell when you subscribe. Also, you have to on the notification bell. That will, anytime when we post video, it will remind you for you to come and watch that video. Okay, bye bye.